Let's go ahead and create an assets folder and then begin exporting our database assets into it. So I'm here on our development site, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder called assets. Now, if you wanted to be super careful, you might want to name this something a little more specific to your project so that just in case there's an assets folder added later to Drupal core, you don't end up in a conflict. Now what we're going to do is prevent access to this folder by adding an htaccess file, but let's go ahead and add a file to this folder just so we can test to make sure that it's not accessible. So let's go ahead and copy over the changelog file. I'm just going to copy it and paste it inside of the assets folder. Okay. And I'm going to jump to my development site. I've just installed Drupal, gone through the installation process, and that's it at this point. So if you're following along, just go through the installation process for your development site, or of course you can try this on an existing site. So here in the address bar, I'm going to go to assets, changelog.txt, and here we see our changelog file. Okay, so now this shouldn't be accessible. Let's go ahead and add our htaccess file. I'm going to jump back to the root folder of the Drupal site, and I'm going to copy over this htaccess file and paste it into the assets folder. Now I'm going to open up this file and I'm going to delete everything that's in it. And all we need is one line here, which is deny from all. I'm going to save this and exit out of it and jump back to the browser. And when I refresh this, you see we get a 403 forbidden, and we're no longer able to access this or anything else inside of this folder. Let's go ahead and clean up by deleting our changelog file from the assets folder. Okay, we're good to go.